It's so cool though.
Keren lah ya.
That is so cool. Come on, that is so cool.
Reaction. Sometime.
Mr. GM.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Halo amigos, halo dunia. Apa kabar semuanya lur? Welcome back to my channel. Masih bersama gue Mr. GM. Nah, kita santai sejenak sambil menonton dan mereaksi video lur. Ini yang pastinya masih tetap spektakuler. Ingat lur ya, batik simple tapi penuh makna. Yuk tonton videonya sampai habis. Oke lur, di kali ini kita akan mereaksi sebuah video ini yang pastinya masih super duper keren banget lur ya. Karena di video ini kita akan mereaksi salah satu musik unik, musik tradisional Islam juga. Dan pokoknya jos gandos banget lur ya. Nah ini banyak nih musisi luar negeri sudah mengenal gitar, piano, drum, hingga orkestra. Tapi kali ini lur, mereka akan mendengar sesuatu yang benar-benar baru bagi telinga mereka. Nah, untuk pertama kalinya, mereka bereaksi terhadap kekayaan seni musik Islami khas Indonesia. Mulai dari marawis, ada qasidah, hadroh, salawatan, hingga gambus lur. Nah, bukan hanya alunan instrumennya yang unik, tetapi juga harmoni, ritme, dan nuansa spiritual yang begitu kuat. Nah, seiring musik dimainkan dan lantunan pujian, serta syair keagamaan terdengar, para musisi luar negeri mulai menunjukkan rasa kagum. Mereka memperhatikan juga bagaimana setiap instrumen berpadu menciptakan suasana yang khusyuk, indah, dan penuh makna. Nah, di video kali ini kita akan menyaksikan bagaimana reaksi mereka nih saat pertama kali mengenal salah satu kekayaan budaya dan tradisi musik Islami dari Indonesia yang begitu memikat. Jadi penasaran lur ya? Tapi sebelumnya jangan lupa video ini di like, di komen, di share sebanyak-banyaknya, dan channel ini di subscribe. Lebih jelasnya lagi tanpa panjang ke depan, yuk kita simak sama-sama. Ayo. Oke lur, ini dia video viralnya. Just so marawis lur. Waleska nggak ngerti dia musik. Ini lur sebagai info ya, mereka baru pertama kali ini mendengarkan dan melihat juga musik-musik khas Islami Indonesia lur. Pokoknya kita saksikan gimana nih reaksi mereka.
I understand why Arabic rhythms are so popular in Indonesia. Genuinely, I get it. And the choreos are so fun. A competition, you can compete the best.
Bro, they hit that so hard.
Kaget mereka lur. Oh, Waleska sampai nganga.
I wasn't expecting that.
La, what does that mean?
Wah, semoga mereka masuk ke lur.
So cool.
percussion. To put it into perspective, obviously, percussion was and has been my life since I was fucking 3 years old. Anything to do with my hands, anything Latin percussion, anything that needs some progression, some love, anything, drums with sticks, slaps, a nice fucking spank. That's what my life has been about, yeah, for forever.
I love how it's so like, this is the whole focus.
What the fuck are those things? What do you call those? Hadros? How about they sing as well?
So freaking cool.
Marawis.
Marawis. Marawis, maybe? Ah!
I love percussion. They're super famous in Indonesia.
I love that they got a choreo going and everything.
Keren lor ya.
Mate, they slap the shit out of that.
Yeah.
What the fuck is
What
that?
is that? Ooh. I feel like I could dance under the moon. Yes.
Dengarlah hai
Adro.
sobat, saat kau maksiat dan kau bayangkan ajal mendekat, apakan kau buat? Kau takkan selamat, pasti dirimu habis dan
I like those hats. What are those hats?
sebelum terlambat, ayo kita sama kita taubat.
Oh, and it's religious.
Ya.
Awas kau tersesat, ingatlah masih ada akhir.
Also, Arabic stuff doesn't have melody, right? When you go to the...
Is it only men?
I think so.
And who's singing that high?
The man.
Can you see that?
A child. A child being squeezed.
Yeah, it could be a kid. You're right.
حي الهادي بأجمل
It's like a tambourine because he has like gently beats.
صلوا معنا
Fucking hell, boys.
At each other.
Keren lor ya, anak-anak lor.
يوم المعاد نبينا طال المختار حي الهادي حي الهادي
So weird. They like to sing with no melody.
Yeah, it is quite bizarre.
صلوا
Bizarre to me.
معنا يا بطار
And he is like a contemporary fucking group. Sort of.
يوم المعادي نبينا
That kid in the far right is
Mantap,
absolutely carrying.
المختار حي الهادي
I also love how they look like they have been forced to do this.
Good.
Keren lor ya.
It's so crazy that
is so
in Indonesia, then you don't have melody for this. I presume sort of like
Well,
prayers.
these genres, because you do have melody for a lot of
kaget mereka,
other
Lord.
traditional styles.
Ah, we were wrong. Girls can do it.
See, I was hearing women. But they have music here.
With gamelan bells.
Dewa 19
Anak drum.
lagunya, Lor.
Nice.
Si Efra nggak ngerti dia. Asem.
Everything is what the fuck?
How do you pronounce that?
Valeska, chasida.
Casida?
Casida rebana. Rebanana.
So sure about that. Whoa!
What the fuck is doing that? Put the guy going. It's another Muslim tradition. Bro, we know nothing about Muslim stuff.
Honestly, zero.
Mereka nggak paham, Lor. Nggak ngerti baru kali ini.
Okay, yes, ladies.
Girls can do it too. Okay. And choreography. What the hell? Oh, interesting. Look, so if you notice, they're actually muting or opening the fucking tension of the drums or whatever you call this. Casida. The casida. The casida is getting absolutely choked. So you go dun, 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 dun,
Yeah.
sort of like a conga.
Yes.
But they're doing it from the fucking back.
That's cool.
Mate, these hurts. But no one has tape.
Maybe the tension is really tense, but it's not very thick on the skin.
Oh, kompetisi kosidah, Lor.
Maybe this is a dialect of Indonesia.
Ucapan salam dialek Indonesia kan, Lor. Dia nggak tahu.
This seems like a battle cry. Oh yeah.
That's sick.
Go, boys. Ding, 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 ding. Crazy breath control.
Such a long singing phrase. That's sick.
See, because they can shift the tension in the drums, it creates a bit of like a bass line for the singing phrase. It has a bit more backing than the previous styles. That's really cool. See, guys. That is so cool. Come on, that is so cool. love that it's blue on the
I
inside.
love that
is
feeling
awesome.
of. It sounds like it's got like natural echo, like you know when you go tang 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 tang. So because you have so many people, they're like sort of delayed.
Layering.
No one is playing on the same one.
No.
That's it. I mean, some people are, but at least the illusion that it creates, like
Wah, si Eva suka dia lur.
Shalawatan.
Is that Arabic? That's not Indonesian. Yeah, it sounds like Arabic.
Waduh lur.
I don't know if that's. Muhammad.
Dia nggak ngerti Eva.
It's prayers.
Merdu banget lur.
That's why Dangdut sounds like that.
Yeah, totally. Also,
What
that's
came
why then
first? Dangdut? What's older? Like
that's a good
Arabic
question.
stuff or like Indonesian Dangdut stuff?
That's a very good question.
Isn't that basically like asking like what came first, the fried egg or the chicken?
Ah,
You know, basically the Industrial Revolution, because you needed fire. Oh, it's not Judy.
Wah,
It's King
gambus.
Hassan.
Wah, ini mah dia emang jagonya lur.
Simply intertwined. Like there's no way Dangdut.
Ini juga
and
salah
this
satu
sort of
artis
style of
kesukaannya
Arabic
Waleska
style music
dan
is
Evra.
intertwined. And listen to how heavily percussive everything is. You're barely hearing the melody. I love him. He's such a fun guy.
وجمع الريش تسرح وانت في عرفك يا رجال مثلك احمد عرضك تسرح وتدوي وانت في عرضك يا رجال مثلك احمد عرضك حتى انا
There's an MC for a wedding. There's an MC.
من الفرقة فرقة
It's King Nasara. Wait.
Actually, yeah, that's a good point.
هذه العيش قلبي من الفرقة
What the fuck is Gambus?
I have no idea, but it's a vibe. That's what I know. Get me a piece of cake.
That's-
a political, geographical situation because, like, the influences of who was in the country at the time actually dictates what styles of music they came up with.
Oh, yeah,
so
like-
it's like it's really complicated sometimes.
Oke lur, angel iki angel jos gantes oke lur wakil PT foto jos stop top lur jos lah. Seperti biasa lur ya, video ini kita reaksi atas saran dari dulurku semua yang baik hati dan juga tidak sombong serta rajin menabung. Bagaimana lur melihat reaksi tadi mereka ya? Mereka mereaksi, kita semakin sadar ya bahwa musik bukan sekedar hiburan tetapi juga jembatan untuk mengenalkan budaya, tradisi, dan nilai-nilai yang hidup di tengah masyarakat. Nah, keunikan marawis, qosidah, ada hadroh, salawatan, serta gambus ini menunjukkan betapa beragamnya warisan seni Indonesia. Nah, irama yang khas, perpaduan vokal dan instrumen tradisional yang menghadirkan pengalaman musik yang berbeda bagi banyak pendengar dari berbagai negara. Nah, semoga semakin banyak orang di dunia ini loh ya yang mengenal dan mengapresiasi kekayaan seni musik tradisional bernuansa Islami dari Indonesia. Dan kalau dulurku juga bangga dengan warisan budaya Indonesia, jangan lupa video ini di like, di komen, di share sebanyak-banyaknya, dan di subscribe. Dan juga tulis di kolom komentar lur, pertunjukan atau jenis musik Islam Indonesia mana yang paling ingin dulurku lihat direaksi oleh musisi luar negeri lainnya. Yuk sama-sama kita teriakan bahwa video ini adalah Jos Gandos Top Mark Otto. Menurut Anda kasih komentar di bawah ini ya. Dan juga silahkan bagi dulur-dulurku semua yang mau request ataupun menyarankan video mana lagi mau direaksi, tulis langsung di kolom komentar. Dan juga kami tak lupa juga mengucapkan banyak-banyak terima kasih kepada channelnya Mbak Waleska Herrera dan Mas Epra yang sudah mereaksi video keren tadi. Dan jangan lupa tetap pantengin juga channel mereka lur ya. Dan sekali lagi kami juga mengucapkan banyak-banyak terima kasih kepada dulurku semua yang sudah menonton video ini dari awal sampai akhir. Semoga bermanfaat dan menghibur. Dan juga kami tetap mendoakan semoga dulur-dulurku semua selalu diberikan kesehatan, diberikan kesuksesan serta kewarasan. Jangan lupa lur, tetap dukung channel ini dengan cara di like, di komen, di share sebanyak-banyaknya, dan mohon channel ini untuk di subscribe agar channel ini dapat berkembang dan lebih maju lagi kilometer ke depan. Sampai jumpa di video berikutnya dan mari terus lestarikan serta banggakan kekayaan budaya Indonesia. Salam santai. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Reaction.